Ready.
One phase elections, does it reflect the peace and development that is reflected in last 10
I
years?
think country as a whole, even in Kerala, even in Tamil Nadu, election will be single phase. But conducting election in Assam in single phase definitely is a acknowledgement of improved law and order situation of our state.
The opposition, the Ahom Jatiya Party or the Congress, they say the election commission will be of BJP.
On what way?
They are demanding
On what reason?
single phase election.
I think-
Akhil Gogoi, they have proposed.
I think we should have single phase election so that there is no question of creating fast phase election, then you move on to another area, creating a different narrative there, then you go to a third area, creating different narrative, bringing the workers of the first phase to the second phase. This is not good. Finally, Assam SIR is not there. Still, it has not happened. So many voters will have their voting rights in Guwahati as well as in Silchar. Many people have their name will be in the voter list in Dhuburi and in Guwahati. So it will be fair that election is happen in single day so that nobody can vote twice.
Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister and Indian Home Minister was in the city, and so ultimately the alliance with AGP and BPF and UPL, everything is finalized, everything is seat sharing is.
We are coming out with our list on 18th, and we expect that our partners knows what seat is already allotted to them. So BPF will contest 11 seats. AGP will also contest around 25 seats. So everything is on more or less finalized. BJP will come out with our list on 18th evening.
How many seats BJP is going to contest this time?
25 plus 11. Roughly that is the number. So you count. So 36 seats will leave for our alliance partner, and rest will contest.
Sir, you have always said that we should not politicize Jubil's death with Assam election, but Congress has